RoboTwist Automatic Jar Opener. RoboTwist Deluxe is a newer and improved version of the original RoboTwist jar opener and bottle opener with improved torque power. You can easily open the tightest and the toughest lid of any jar, making RoboTwist the best jar opener for weak hand and the best jar opener for senior with arthritis. Can opening jar lids automatically without any unnecessary effort. To use it, set reboist over the jar, press the button and the watch the vice grip. Hold the unit place and twist off the jar lid. This robotic jar lid opener is constructed with two large twisting vice grips that can hold 1.2 and 3.5 inches diameter of lid, making it compatible to different sizes and types of jar and a jar lids. The design of the jar opener focuses of making life easier the pupil. Electric salt and pepper grinder with gravity sensor switch. You can need it to press the button. Simply flip the grinder. You can will have fresh ground spices. Convenient and funny battery power. Each grinder requires six AAA batteries. Batteries are not included. Many grinded level of your choice allow you to grind the spices from core fine. Electric pepper salt grinder used to high quality creamy character. You can choose the coarseness of your spices, salt, pepper by trying adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. The electric grinder is suitable for pepper, salt, and solid green seasoning. Battery powered grinder is good helper for kitchen, restaurants, parties, and outdoor picnics. Transparent acrylic material of the bottom allow you to see the remaining spices of the convenient of discussing and the spices of the grinder. Turn the button container clockwise to open it. Turn the bottom container clockwise to close. When closing, do not over tighten it, otherwise it will be required a lot of force to open it again. When electric candle lighter, volumetric plasma flameless technology which has various features such as energy concentration, smoke free, odorless, and the windproof ensures the lighter can be used normally under any weather. Touch the arc to hand. Comparing the traditional lighter, the matches it can ignite candle, stove, firework, and etc. in a more convenient, safer, and faster manner. No flame, thus it won't burn your finger, and no more harmful. Butane, no need to refill the lighter ever. Voltage large capacity battery. The power indicator lights used to remind you when you should be charged. The portable USB cable can connect it when it should be charged. The portable USB can connect it. The power source such as computer, power bank, and etc. The electric arc will automatically turn on after 7 seconds per use. Double safety switch. The power button is under the safety switch, avoiding accident touches of the ignition button when you put it in your pocket or bag during ignition. Bluetooth key finder. Key finder keep track your belongings such as key, bag, suitcase, backpack, and wallet. With the versatile NVQ item finder, these key finder connected to your phone via Bluetooth and work with the Apple Find My app. iPad Touch Find nearby and far uses to find the My Map to ring your NVQ key locator when it within Bluetooth range so that you can find your item quickly, or you can also find item further away with the help of million of Apple devices in the Find My network. Activate lost mode on your NVQ key finder to receive automatic notification when it detected it find the network notification detected to find my network. If someone finds my network, if someone find your lost NVQ locator, that can access your contact information through their Find app. Desktop vacuum cleaner. Switch the battery power off. Not included. You can use the mini vacuum anywhere. Battery will just last 90 minutes. Cordless convenience help you to get rid of the annoying cord, and you can don't need to plug charge. And the frequently rotatable design of vacuum cleaner is an ergonomic and useful solution to your cleaning need. You can easily reach to any corner and crevice when cleaning the space between large hard to move objects. Capture the nozzle spec. You can easily clean the dust of desktop computer keyboard. It's absolutely perfect choice to clean hair and dust in different places that you hard to reach. Despite being power batteries, that mini desktop vacuum cleaner has a sufficient suction power table vacuum cleaner and shoulder heating glue. Heating pads are rated with pure stone and seed material around the edge and naturally drip down to better fit the body, providing deep relaxation and effective pain relief for the neck, shoulder, and upper back. Compared to a single block, six buckle design make it easier. The weight heating pad has six heat level and 4 times a minute. It heats quickly, evenly the relief tension discomfort, still staying with a comfortable temperature range. The neck heating paint pad come with the smart 4-speed auto shut off setting which count down very half hour to ensure energy saving. Shut down the prevent